Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Ganesh Chaturthi is a special day when we celebrate the birth of beloved Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha is unlike other gods. This is because Ganesh Chaturthi is not the only day we pray to him. He is present in each and every puja or ritual and new or important venture that we undertake. This is because, as per the Hindu culture, praying to Lord Ganesha brings luck, success, and prosperity. His big head is to symbolize enormous knowledge and wisdom. It also indicates that one must think big. His tiny eyes speak about having concentration and attention towards the minute details of life. Ganesha's small mouth signifies that one must talk less. His big ears symbolize the discipline to listen more. His trunk signifies adaptability and high efficiency to be successful in one's ventures. Ganesha's big belly represents that one should learn to accept and digest all that life has to offer. Good, bad, ugly, beautiful, everything. His single tusk represents that one must retain all the good and give up on all the bad. In his right hand, he holds a hook Ankusha, and in his left hand, he holds a noose, Pasa. Ankusha is used to symbolize that you need to tame your mind and keep it under control and closer to you with the help of Pasa. In one of the lower hands, he holds a plate of modak or laddu. The outer covering of modak signifies the sweet rewards one will get when they travel the path of enlightenment. In another lower hand, he holds a lotus that grows in stagnant water but raises above the waterline with purity. Finally, the rat, his vehicle. Rat is a symbol of human desires and how the desires grow continuously. The rat is constantly at his feet. That shows one must ride on their desires but keep them under control.